Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Amathima amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So namhlanje ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ngomdlali obekade edlalela iMamelodi Sundowns okubani na okuPeter Shalulile. Remember ke bafethu uPeter Shalulile I did a video last week ngisho ukuthi ke iYoung Africans sikwazile ukuthi ke ithole isigning yakhe uPeter Shalulile. Yabo iYoung Africans ibingakaconfirmi ukuthi ke uMjida usesayinile ngempela as their new player. Yabo so namhlanje ke sivuke nje kuindaba isho Young Africans ukuthi ke iGoats isifikile the Peter one and only Shalulile uMjida ngempela ophula ama records khona la kuBetway Premiership usefikile usiyodlala le eTanzania edlalela yona iYoung Africans useyobangisana noSimba ke manje sebewushana bonke lapha yabo umanqoba mnqithi ukwazile ukuthi ke amthole umdlali obekade emcoacha vele before ngaphambilini. Remember lo mdlali lo befunwa ama club amaningi khona la eAfrica khona namanye ade mfuna la kuBetway nale eEgypt iPyramids bimfuna kodwa ke iYoung Africans igcine kwazile ukuthi ke imthole lo Mjida lo as their new sign. Kwezezindaba eziphumile I did a video regarding yena uGlody Lilepo ngasho ukuthi ke ufunwa iClub yaseLibya ibizwa ngani na ebizwa ngeAl Ahly Benghazi. Leyo club ke bafethu igcine im-announcile uMjida as their newest signing eqhamuka kwini na eqhamuka kuyona iKaizer Chiefs and ke iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje ke isithulelile indaba yasho ukuthi ke uMjida has completed a move from iKaizer Chiefs to this Libyan side iAl Ahly Benghazi following the agreement between the two clubs for i-transfer fee. Yabo abakasho ukuthi ke imalini abamdayise ngayo kade ke iKaizer Chiefs isikhiphile istatement namhlanje isho ukuthi ke uLilepo ugcine ke esehambile kwiKaizer Chiefs after spending 2 seasons with the Kaizer Chiefs oyojoyina yona le club le. Simfisela okuhle ke bafethu uLilepo le top uzofika shine khona njengoba nje enze kahle kwiKaizer Chiefs. Yabo kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iMamelodi Sundowns have appointed uPedro Diaz as their new head of scouting. If I remember vividly, I think uPedro Diaz was once with AmaZulu wayesebenza kakhulu with AmaZulu but ke currently uMjida usekwiMamelodi Sundowns. He is the current head of scouting uyena ke ozobeke scout abadlali abaningi bayo eMamelodi Sundowns. Engikubonayo la ngathi ke iMamelodi Sundowns ilanda abantu abaningi basePortugal ezobaletha kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns. Mase ubheke nje the most players who are currently playing kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns those are Portuguese. Even the coaching staff igcwele abantu basePortugal. I think ke bazokwazi ke ba-understandane yena uhead of scouting with ucoach wa eMamelodi Sundowns. I feel like they are going to go to Europe and search for more talent lapha khona eEurope. I think sesiyayibona ke manje ke i-direction iMamelodi Sundowns ehamba ngayo. Yabo I feel like sebehambe enough laphana eSouth America sebebonile italent elikhona vele eSouth America sebeyashifta ke njengamanje sebelibhekisele eEurope. They want to bring European players to the African soil. I like le ndlela le ehamba ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns. Lento le izokwazi ke ilithatha ibhola la kuyona iPSL ilibeke kwelinye izinga. Ababone uOrlando Pirates nabo balanda European strikers. Sifuna ukubona more South African teams enza njalo. Siyababona uAl Ahly bajwayele ukwenza vele lokho balanda abadlali bale eEurope babalethe le eEgypt. Yabo so more Southern African teams mele ke balandele le route eshawe yona iMamelodi Sundowns neOrlando Pirates. Yabo neKaizer Chiefs nayo seyakwenza in the past but ke namanje singakwenza futhi. Ngisakuyona nje iKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa ke iclub edlala kwi2nd division okuyini na okuyiHope FC. They are interested in signing umdlali weKaizer Chiefs oyi-midfielder okusamkelo Zwane. Bafuna kodwa ke umsayina on a season long loan. Umjida ke he is one of those players abangayitholi game time kwiKaizer Chiefs and it looks like ucoach omusha ngiyeza amsebenzise kakhulu kule season lezoqala. So iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukuthi ke uMjida bazama ukuthi ke bamhambise naye on a loan. Singesazi ke noma iKaizer Chiefs izomdedela uMjida njengabanye abadlali seke badedela vele ngaphambilini okubalwa khona uMashiyano. uMashiyano belonwe nayo uMjida kwiSwelele FC kodwa ke uMashiyano ugcine ke bemdedela asazi ke yena ngayo uZwane. Ingabe uZwane naye uzoyiswa kwiloan noma ke bamdedele baterminate contract yakhe singesazi but ke ikhona iHope FC iyamfuna ngempela uMjida. Kwezezindaba eziphumile remember I spoke about ke umdlali uMarumo Gallants okuIbrahim Barnes. Yabo I spoke about uBarnes ngasho ukuthi ke uMjida kungenzeka abe seyinkingeni with iMarumo Gallants. Remember phela icontract yakhe bekumele ngabeke isiphelile and ke bekumele ngabeke noma yipi team ekhona kuBetway Premiership ingamsayina but ke ubesaxazulula lezo ingxoxo with i-team yakhe kuiMarumo Gallants but ke i-agent yakhe ikwazile ukuthi ke ilithathe lelicala elise kwiPSL ke yase ke uMjida ke imunisa icala useyitholile nje iclearance ukuthi ke angajoyina noma yipi club ekhona kwiBetway Premiership. Yabona kodwa ukusayina abadlali abanenkinga kuyaye kubuyise inkinga ekanje ungayithola usuthola i-transfer ban ungalindele. Ngiyayithanda into eyenziwa amathima ku-Betway Premiership, awagxumanga aya kuyena uBarnes aqaleka amlinda wasolva inkinga anazo, because right now umjida ke usengasayina noma yiphi team. Yabo siyazi akhona ama teams are interested in signing this player, Kaizer Chiefs. First of all, Kaizer Chiefs, it is the #1 team on top. Kungenzeka ukuthi ke bamsayine umjida, yabo, based on indaba engizwile ngenzeka uBarnes ayijoin iKaizer Chiefs, but ke okwamanje indaba zisaphansi singesazi. He's a very very good player, and ke masa sign with iKaizer Chiefs, iKaizer Chiefs ngabe ishaye i-signing yangempela la. But ke you can tell me in the comments iyiphi team I deserve umjida. Yabo ngisengambona phela ke esayinwe yisona iSteelers, naso iSteelers sisengamsign, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, iSteelers sesi-announcile abafethu umdlali oqhamuka kwiKaizer Chiefs okubani na, okuGiven Msimango. I spoke about uGiven Msimango yesterday, ngisho ukuthi ke umjida ubhale incwadi esho ukuthi ke uyabonga kakhulu okwenziwe iKaizer Chiefs, useyahamba njengamanje, yabo. So umjida currently he is playing for iSteelers, naba ke bem-announce namhla. Omunye umdlali abam-announcile ubani na, uAshley Dupree. Ashley Dupree umjida usezodlalela ini now, usezodlalela iSteelers as their new striker lapha kwiStellenbosch, okuyindaba ezinhle kakhulu because iSteelers currently siyashota ngempela phambili, sidinga istriker esilidal esizokwazi ukuthi ke sibakorela ama goals, and a player like uAshley Dupree vele sekwayidlalela vele club before. I think ke uzokwazi ke abanikeze leyo nto lapha phambili, badinga ispeed phambili, istrikers zabo ziyaleka kakhulu kuma goals, and players akabo Devin Titus bazokwazi ke basupply yena lo mjida, bamsupply bamnikeza ibhola ashaya ama goal. Kwezizindaba eziphumile bathi i-Young Africans i-announce umdlali okubani nawo ku-Omar Komara, umjida ke bamsayine from Migolin Arrows. Remember I spoke about le indaba lezi, ngasho ukuthi ke umjida he has been signed by i-Young Africans today. Bam-announcile umjida as their newest signing kuyona i-Young Africans. It looks like they are signing more players who are coming from iBetway Premiership. Siyakhiqiza kancane kancane, which is what I like. Izindaba eziphumile bafethu ke uNeo Mayema is set to return to Simba SC on loan from iMamelodi Sundowns for isizini entsha le ezoqala. Remember baxoxisanile with iMamelodi Sundowns, njengoba bexoxisanile nje usanawo omunye ke unyaka with iMamelodi Sundowns, kodwa iSundowns idecide ukuthi bamlone kuyona iSimba SC le dlala khona le eTanzania, yabo. So usazoqhubeka nje umjida ahlale khona, adlale khona ibhola lakhe khona, yabo. Ihlulekile ukuthi ke imsayine on a permanent fee inina iSimba SC. Izindaba eziphumile bafethu, umdlali wayedlalela iKaizer Chiefs uSibusiso Mabiliso umjida ke usesayine i-contract with iOrbit College le edlala ku-NFD kwi-2nd division. Kwezinye izindaba futhi ke iKaizer Chiefs have signed uOrabile Moweti obedlalela iOrbit College, mase ke basayina uTumelo Machete obedlalela iSwelele FC, kodwa ke babasayinele for iclub yeDDC. Labadlali ke sizobabona bepromote yiyona iKaizer Chiefs in the upcoming seasons, kodwa ke babasayinele iDDC at this time. Izindaba eziphumile bafethu ke ucoach obecoacha inina iGolden Arrows, kodwa ke ube assistant coach obesasana ku-announce uJames Madidilane uthiwa useshiyile kuyona iGolden Arrows. Akakashiwo ukuthi ke ngabe ushiyelini kuyona iGolden Arrows, but ke kuthiwa ke he has parted ways with the Golden Arrows. Ngeke abe khona kule fixture la bazodlala khona iKaizer Chiefs, uzombona nje uzobe ngeke bench. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, umcedi Vandala rejoins iSkhukhune United following his stint at Magesi FC. Umjida ke bamwelcome back as their newest signing. Kwezinye futhi izindaba eziphumile thiwa ke uSihle Gum has joined Highbury FC after leaving iBaroka FC lele kwi-3rd division. Izona ke indaba engiyiphethe namhlanje bafethu. Ningakhohlwa ukungifollowa lapha ku-Instagram ngoVanesports_. Ungakhohlwa ngoVanesports_. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for isupport eninginikeza yona bafethu.